Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Moonshot. So first, launch the Moonshot app. So this is the home page, right? So to access your wallet, you can come here at the bottom right, click on holdings. The other way is come here and clicking on your balance. Okay, now to withdraw, all you want to do is come here and click on withdraw. And then you basically need to choose here what you're withdrawing. So you're either withdrawing your cash or your Solana. Okay, choose whichever one it is. Let's say you're withdrawing the Solana. You can either withdraw it into crypto, right? Or you can withdraw it into any of these other options. Depending on what country you are in, these options will be available to you. For example, bank transfer, Coinbase, PayPal, right? Or you can withdraw to a debit or credit card directly. Okay, just enter the amount you want to withdraw and then swipe to withdraw. Since I don't have a balance, that will not happen for now, but it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.